Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily change your wallpaper theme on iPhone. So for doing this, just go to the settings, just open the settings. Here you need to open wallpaper, and here you need to tap on choose a new wallpaper. So just tap here, and now you can see different wallpapers. So under you will see all photos, so it's your gallery from which you can choose wallpaper from your photos. So, or you can also choose it from here. So here you can see it's standard different themes. So for example this one. So now just you can zoom on it, or you can just, if you want to look it like this, just tap on set. So here you can set it for lock screen or set for home screen. So for example, for lock screen, just tap here. Now you can see that it successfully. So just go back, just lock your phone, and here you can see that we successfully change our wallpaper. So this is the way how you can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.